Sorry for being a mess. I gave my best, but was too late.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jadi. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on my socials. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bell to let you know when I upload a video, which is 3 times a week. Guys, today I thought I would bring you guys this like dark kind of fall makeup look. I've been doing cleaning videos and all this, so yeah, I thought today that I would do a fall makeup look. I love fall. It's been feeling really nice here in Florida. It's been really breezy, and it's just feels amazing. Like, this weather makes me feel nice. I love fall, Christmas, all that is just so amazing. It makes you feel like, you know, pumpkin spice and just, you know, getting my candles and all that good stuff. So yeah guys, I already did my makeup, bronzer and blush. I will do highlight after I'm done with my eye look, and I just figured I thought I would show you guys my eye look on camera, and my lip colors. So yeah, start first. Of course, you guys all know I have to set my lids. Prime my lids, and I use my concealer to prime my lids. I find it like this is just so much easier and so much better. Comes out really nice. I don't know, like, I've got the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. Maybe I have to use it again. Maybe I have to see if I really actually like it or not, but most of the time I use it and I don't like it. I feel like it creases my shadows. I don't know. I don't know if it's me. I don't know. I just don't. Set my lids or anything. I'm just gonna go right into the shadow. This little chic crease brush, and I'm gonna go in with the with Timeless right here. It's like a brown, but not too dark, not too light. And then I feel like when you want to do this look, you want to kind of bring it up. So I'm gonna go from lightest brown to darkest, and then really adding the definition to the eye. So I'm gonna grab this, and then I'm just going to. Give us a little base, and then I'll go to the other eye, and then really just blend, and then start blending here. Where you get. So I kind of put the brush into the shade and then put it in my eye, and then kind of blend all this, and then the leftover shadow that I have on my brush, I kind of bring it in the inner corner, and just keep on blending, just like that. Just like that. I find that like it's so much easier with a fluffy brush. Is amazing. So then I'm gonna go in with. Trying to think. Then I'm gonna go in with here we go, right here. It's kind of like darker, and I'm gonna also put that, but just like in the crease. So this I'm just gonna put right here. Like that, guys. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get into this other palette, and I'm gonna get that brown, and I'm just gonna really darken that outer be like right here. I really want to really darken it more. I really want to darken it more. like a brick kind of. So I'm gonna grab Voyage large shadow brush, stone shadow brush. And I like this because we're just gonna pack this right on there on the lid as well, right here. Eyeliner, which is in like dark brown. So instead of like doing black because it'd be so harsh, decided to do this one. Okay, then after that is done, I'm going to apply my lashes. Use my 3D Fox Mink lashes. You guys know I really love these lashes. They're on, and then with the same brown, I'm just gonna go just so they can kind of matte. I don't want to see no. I'm gonna add now, since the eyes are done, I'm going to add some highlight, but first I'm gonna spray my face and I'm gonna put my Body Shop Strawberry Smoothing Face Mist, and I'm just going to I'm gonna get my Chic highlighter one, and I'm going to use my stroke highlighter, which I like. This highlighter is really pretty. So I legit put my this lipstick is called Casping Clay. It's like a brown, so I really love this color. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I really love the way it came out. It's nice and pretty and subtle. The eye makeup just looks nice, all different shades of brown. A night, like if you want to make it more dramatic, you can definitely put a wing liner and things like that. But I'm really happy the way it came out. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and it feels like fall. I really love the lip color. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on all my socials, become part of the Butterfly family, and like I always say, God bless you.